Start by fixing one end of the rope. Wrap it around a post or hook to make a solid anchor point. Now use a trucker's hitch to tighten and secure your load. This knot gives strong tension with minimal effort. With the leftover rope, tie a clove hitch. It keeps the end tight and prevents slipping. Here's an easier way to finish the end. Just a quick loop for fast and simple fixing. Finally, a tow knot. Strong for towing, but quick to release when needed. Watch how it unhooks smoothly. Make your rope work smarter, safer, and easier.